In Parada Vijnana, let us discuss on the Parada. So, as you know, Parada is one of the basic element related with the Rasa Shastra, and the whole science mainly deals with mercury and mercurial preparations. Okay. So, it has a vital role in the field of Rasa Shastra. So, based on the concept of and the details of Parada only, the whole science has been developed. So, that's what the science is named as Rasa Shastra. Okay. So, if you see the mythological origin of the Parada, Rasa, it is said to be originated from the seminal fluid of Lord Shiva. So, that's what most of the acharyas they have correlated this Parada with Atma, as quoted in Shastra that Raso vai Saha. That is, Yata Rasaha Tatahi Atma Kurute, as quoted in Shloka of Rasanaha. So here, because of its auspiciousness and because of its unendable qualities, Parada is correlated with Atma. And it is very important among all the rasa dravyas, maybe Maharasa, Uparasa, Sadhanrasa. So among all the rasa and Uparasas, Parada is considered as superior. So that's why Parada is even named as Rasendra. It is Rasoparasa, Rajatva, Rasendraha, Iti. So if we see the importance of Parada, there is a shloka from Rasanava that Eko Asau Rasarajaha Shariram Ajaramanam Kurute. So here the meaning is only with the help of this mercury and its qualities, the person can live longer, healthy span of life, free from all the aging signs and symptoms. So because of that Rasayana Guna also, mercury is named as Rasa. That is Ego Aso Rasaraja. Why it is named as Rasaraja means as it is superior among all the Rasa and the Uparasa. So that's what Parada is even named as Rasa Raja. Ego Aso Rasarajaha Shariram Ajaramanam Kurute. So why mercury is considered as superior in Rasa Shastra? Why not Aprapa? Why not Gandharva? The question arises. So let us see the opinion of the Charaka regarding the aim of our life, that is the three ambitions of our life. So in 3 Eshani Adhyaya of Charaka Sutra, so he has quoted three main ambitions of our life. That is Dhaneshana, then what are those?
Praneshana.
Praneshana, very good. Dhaneshana.
Paralokeshana.
Paralokeshana, very good. So these are the three ambitions of our life, the three Ashanas of our life. Dhaneshana, Praneshana and Paralokeshana. So here, the Parada can fulfill all these three ambitions. See, let us say first one is Praneshana. So because of its Rasayana Guna, it can increase the span of life. The preparation of this mercury, the mercurial preparation, can help to control the aging signs and symptoms, and person can live longer, healthy span of life. Definitely, is going to fulfill the first one, that is Praneshana, to live. Second one is Dhaneshana. So Dhaneshana is a concept of Lohavada. So where the basic metals are converted into higher one. So with the basic, with the help of this Lohavada concept, the person can increase the wealth of the society. Definitely, he can fulfill the Dhaneshana, that is Praneshana and Dhaneshana. And finally, third one is Paralokeshana, that is achievement of the salvation. So as the main aim of our Ayurveda Shastra is also finally to achieve the Mukti, that is achieving the Purushartha Chatushtha, Dharmartha Kama Moksha. So with the help of this Parada also, as the person can live longer, healthy span of life, definitely he will choose the Paralokeshana, that is a Moksha Prapti. As I told you in the initial class, according to Rasa Shastris, the Moksha Prapti means enjoying the Panchamakaras in the life by increasing the span of life. So as Mercury is helpful in achieving these Panchamakaras, so definitely it helps to achieve Moksha. So that's what if we consider the three Ashanas of Acharya Charaka, that is Dhaneshana, Praneshana, Paralokeshana. The same things all are fulfilled with the help of this Parada. So that's what Parada is considered as superior among all the Rasa and Uparasa. Yeah. So here Rasa is Parada and Shastra is the science. The science which mainly deals with the mercury. So that science is named as Rasa Shastra. Okay. So here its specific gravity is 13.56. So here it is 13.5 times heavier than water. Okay. Generally, we consider the specific gravity based on the weight of the water. So here mercury is 13.5 times heavier than water, and its freezing point is minus 36 degrees centigrade, and its boiling point is 355, 57.25. So here you remember this boiling point because it is more important while discussing the concept of Parada doshas and Parada shodha. So how the changes occurs based on its boiling point. For example, if we while discussing this Chapale dosha and this Asayahagi dosha, so again we need to revise this concept, that is boiling point of the mercury. It is 357.25, and its atomic number is 200. Sorry, 80, and atomic weight is 200. Very sorry. So let us see in brief regarding the history of the Parada. So the historical, if you go through the historical review of the Parada, so we get the reference regarding the Sutta Vimana in the book which was written by Sri Madhusudana. So where we get the reference regarding the Sutta Vimana. So Sutta Vimana is it's an aeroplane which works with the help of mercury. So even you might be heard regarding the Pushpak Viman in Ramayana. So that also works with the help of this Ashta Samskarita, sorry, Parada Siddhi. Yeah. So there is a reference which is available in Indra Vijaya book. And another reference regarding the mercury is available in Yajnavalkya Smriti, where we get the reference regarding the Kuta Swarna. Kuta Swarna means the Kritrima Swarna, the artificial code, so which was prepared with the help of mercury by Lohavadavi. So that reference is available in Yajnavalkya Smriti. And if we go through the Kautilya Arthashastra of Chanakya, there also we get reference regarding the Rasavidya Swarna. Okay. So Rasavidya Swarna means the gold which was prepared and which was converted with the help of mercury. So even we get reference regarding the Abraka in Kautilya Arthashastra. Actually, in Kautilya Arthashastra time, they were using the help of Abraka and Parada for the conversion of this Puswarna or Rasavidya Swarna. So before this also, even in Mahabharata, the period of epic also Mahabharata, so there also we get the reference regarding the Ku Swarna. Ku Swarna means the artificially prepared gold. Okay. And if you see the Samhitas, so in almost all the Samhitas, we get the reference regarding the mercury, which was used therapeutically only for external application, lay part in Kushta Chikitsa. So almost in all Charaka, Shrutam, Ashtanga Hridaya, our acharyas have used this mercury for external application purpose. Okay. The first internal use of mercurial preparation was started with Parpati Kalpanas in Grahini Chikitsa. So references Chakrapani. So from Parpati Kalpas only, the internal use of mercury was started. So it's a brief history regarding the part. So in the detail regarding the history of mercury, we already studied in introductory part of the session. Okay. Next point is the synonyms of mercury. So based on the nature of mercury, based on its shape, based on its qualities, based on its color and complexion, based on its origin, and based on its utility. So different synonyms are quoted in Shastras. So let us see few of them. Okay. So based on Dehavada means it is based on its Rasayana Guna. So the synonyms of mercury are Amruta, Jaiva, Dehada, Paramamruta, Parata, Parada, Mrityunashana, Rasayana, and Rasayana Sreshta. So these are the synonyms which are quoted to mercury based on its Dehavada quality. And based on its Dhatuvada, that is Lohavada quality, mercury is named as Divya Rasa, Maharasa, Rasa, Rasendra. See, Rasa means Rasanat Sarvadhatunam, as it amalgamates all the metals and minerals. So that's what mercury is named as Rasa. Rasendra, Rasesha, Rasottama, Rasadhatu, Rasarajaha, Rasanatha, Rasaleha, Siddhadhatu, Sutaha, Sutakaha, Sutarajaha, Vishraka. These are the different synonyms which are given to mercury based on its Lohavada concept. So based on Dehavada, Lohavada. And the next comes based on its special property, that is Vishishta Guna. Based on that, mercury is named as Ananta. Ananta means here the specific quality of mercury is, see, we can't predict the quality of the mercury. It is beyond our limitations. So that's what mercury is named as Ananta. Anantaha, Amaraha, Kalikantaka. Kalikantaka means it makes the person free from all the diseases. Even it gives victory on the death also. So that's what mercury is even named as Kalikantaka. Sukshmaha, Saubhagya. See, Saubhagya is a good luck. And even it is named as Yashada Karana. Yashada means gives the success. Okay. And fourth classification is, fourth group is Darshanika and Adhyatmika, based on the philosophical background. Mercury is named as Jiva, Jaiva, Divya, Achintya. And based on its nature, Swarupa, Galada Raupya Niba. So Galada is liquid, Raupya Niba is, it resembles the silver, liquid silver. So even in modern concept also, mercury is named as quicksilver. Isn't it? Quick liquid silver. So same, the word is given here. Galada Raupya Nibaha Mahavani, because of its luster. Because of its luster, it is named as Mahavani, Mahatejaha, Suvarna. See here, Suvarna is not gold. Suvarna. It's because of its good color and complexion. Suvarna. Next is based on its Gati, that is the laws of mercury. Parda Gati is based on that concept. So mercury is named as Kechara. Kechara means, so as I told you, after Parada Siddhi, the person can even move in the air. So you might be heard the story of Vadi, so who belongs to the kingdom of Vikramaditya, so who used to walk on the air with the help of this mercurial Siddhi, Parada Siddhi. So that is a Kechara. Based on its Gati, mercury is named as Kechara. Ka indicates Akash. Kechara Gati means moving in the air without any support. Chapadaha, there is a fickleness, Chala and Durtaka. Durtaka means we can't handle the mercury. Within a fraction of a second, we lose the mercury, it will slip. It is because of its fickleness. So that's what mercury is even named as Durtaka. And based on the divine property and based on its mythological origin also, mercury is named as. So in this group, so almost all the synonyms which are quoted for Lord Shiva, the same synonyms are quoted to mercury also. That is Trinetraha, Trilochanaha, Devaha, Dehajaha, Prabhu, Rudrajaha, Lokeshaha, Bijendra, Buddhaha, Rajasvala, Shantaha, Shivaha, Shivaviryaha, Skanda, Hararetaha, Harabijaha, Haratejaha, Shivavaya, and Shiva Bija. So these are the different synonyms which are quoted for